Right, go ahead. That's not him. Your son. You'll be able to hear us because we hear each other.
I'm constipated.
Oh my god, there he is here.
Seriously?
Uh-huh. Yeah. Let's go to the balcony. Go to the balcony.
He's sitting in the back.
Quick, 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 quick. In it. Oh my god, he's such a weirdo. He's going to watch a film at another hotel himself.
And he's not even got a comfy chair.
Yeah, we're weird as all like. Look at me, he's walking about. Look at him, he's walking. Look at him with
He's
something.
there. He's there. You're looking at the guy at the back, aren't you?
Aye, he's like, just sitting down.
Aye,
He's just sat down.
Aye.
Lying down.
Aye. No, Courtney's at the back sitting.
No, he's not. He's there, Abby. He's there.
That's what I thought it was. Is he lying next to that?